When you shop here, you really ever lose.
I love that. Oh, I have the cheese.
Charlie cheesecake.
Stop it, my scissors.
Ooh, sticker. Nice.
I'm gonna live in this thing, no joke.
Scissor. We're doing a mystery unboxing.
Hell yeah, let's
Alright,
go.
so you got it.
I love that.
Alright, grab it. Oh, look at that. You won the free hat. Oh, you won. Good luck. There you go.
Thanks.
You got a Jack Flaps too. That's an air freshener. Go.
You guys really go.
Jack
I
Flaps.
love that.
Miss Scissor.
Stop it, my scissors.
Ooh, there's more cool stuff in here. Scissor.
Really?
All right, this is a pint glass opening party. The best way to do it is to turn it around and then slice the back. Here. If you want it. You can pick, any of them. I'll just move stuff around. All right, so let's all do it one at a time, though, so I can. All right, so you can grab that one. And today also, because I'm down to the last of them, if you want, you can trade out the glass for any of the ones that are, if you for some reason don't like the glass that you get. But I mean, they're all pretty cool. Yeah, go for it. If you guys need, oh, this guy's prepared.
He's got a knife somewhere.
All right, so you're looking for the goldfish. The goldfish is a grand prize winner. You get a free shot glass. And then if you get the dinosaur.
One at a time. Ready?
So what do we got? You got an air freshener.
Whole bunch of goodies, and let's see what the cup is.
So you just want a hat. You want a Rudy hat.
Ah,
You know the Route 1 dinosaur?
yeah.
That's what that is.
Oh, that is so funny.
So yeah, there you go. One grand prize winner. And then you got all this bonus stuff.
All the bonus
Poster,
stuff.
I mean koozie.
Ah, the shark.
All right, so who's next? You want the goldfish is a big prize winner. And you got, look at that.
Oh, I got the ding, 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 ding.
So you run a free shot glass to go with it. You can grab the blue hat that's over there, and let's see what we got over here. Plus all the other stuff too. Look, you got an air freshener for your car.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
All right, Kayla, what do you got?
And you got Dilly Bickle's Wicked Pickles. So you get an art print. You can choose whatever art print you like. And you got all this other stuff in there too. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it because look, you just totally I'm almost sold out. I love it. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Oh yeah, now you guys each get a pick a coaster. So depending on which coaster you get, we're looking for this sticker right here. There's it. Charlie Cheesecake has a winner. All right, so you get a free lanyard.
Oh, Sanctuary of Dilly Pickle.
Another winner. You get a whole thing of candy canes, Fruity Pebbles.
I'm gonna go with Dilly.
Oh wait, you did win. It's under there. Nice. And you get.
So here's to Santa and here's to Green, to
Another
the brightest
coaster.
Christmas we've ever seen. On this climate class sleigh ride together we'll be saving the season, saving our tree.
Who are you wearing?
Oh, just the Stereotypical Stereotype show.
Obviously. Isn't
Yeah.
everybody?
Seriously.